Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome to Walton Park, Jamaica before 7 a.m. Hope you will enjoy this one. The time is now 5:55 a.m. You may be wondering why am I up so early, but as you can see, I have company. Got things to do, so we have to wake up early. So what time is it by you now? Please let me know in the comment section below. This is Walton Park. This is Walton Park Road, Jamaica, before 7 a.m. on a weekday. George is close on our left us now. Now we're heading back onto Walton Park Road just to show you. So Walton Park Road runs off Malines Road, and well, stick and stay to find out, eh? It's a relatively long road though. Just like Hagley Park Road, there are quite a few auto parts shop here on Walton Park Road. Quite a few auto parts shop here. Campbell Boulevard on our right. Road on our right. across Hagley Park Road now. Still on Walton Park Road. Oh, look at this old bus. Going by Chisholm Avenue on our left. See the link in the description for a video on Chisholm Avenue. Passing by the Chinese cemetery on our right. Pembroke Road on our right. We turn out, now we're on, just about to turn on to Spanish Town Road, and this is where I'm going to end it for today. Walton Park Road, Jamaica before 7 a.m. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Share with a friend or two, especially those who haven't been to Walton Park Road in a very long time. I would surely appreciate that. So until next time, Jamaican Insider out.